What is up guys, it's Sunday fun day, right? Yesterday I couldn't make any video because you people also know, right? India-Pakistan match was happening. How could I miss it? Whole day I sat at my home and saw the match, and yeah, such a good game, such a heated session it was, right? And congrats to our team India for winning it. Match was good, but my experience was not that great because I was seeing it on my TV. Now imagine if we saw the same thing on a 150 or 200 inches projector. That would be epic, right? Like totally next level stuff. So see, at some or the other point, everybody would like to have a projector for the same reason, right? For these sort of special occasions at their home. So for you people, I actually have a very interesting product in the house today. We have a brand new smart projector from Zebronics. It's their all new Pixaplay 28, and it actually has like very interesting features. Main highlight is this is one of the most powerful projector from Zebronics, guys. Like literally has around 9000 lumens of brightness, and also it's like a smart projector. Wi-Fi is there, Bluetooth is there, has all your OTT apps like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, everything pre-installed, and lots of other features as well. So today in this video I'll unbox it and we'll check out this brand new projector and see how it performs. So let's quickly get started with the video. Our brand new Zebronics Pixaplay 28 came in this sort of box packaging, massive packaging guys, and I have to say Zebronics has definitely raised their standards. I mean, you can tell that just by looking at the packaging over here. Very neat box, you have a picture of the product on the front and mentioned lots of its features. As I've told you, this is a smart projector and has a very high brightness of up to 9000 lumens. It's got a projection size of around 200 inches, so pretty nice features I would say. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So as soon as you open it, there you go boys, our brand new Pixaplay 28 from Zebronics at the top. And oh boy, I have to say this is definitely quite heavy in the hand guys, and also very big in size. We'll just come back to the product in a moment. Along with that, you also get some accessories which include a smart remote along with two AAA batteries, a mains cord for the projector, and also you're getting a free HDMI cable included in the package as well. And also one cleaning kit is also available. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the product and first of all talk about the design and build quality part. Initial impressions, Zebronics Pixaplay 28, as I've told you, is massive in size. It looks quite premium for the price point. I mean, look at the whole white finishing over here. Solid build quality as well. Entire body made of high quality polycarbonate material. And oh my god, look at this finishing on the front side. You're getting a clean cloth, fabric sort of grey finish. As I've told you, this is definitely a premium segment product and basically has all the features you might be looking for on a projector. On the front, this is your lens element, good quality lens. It's even multi-coated as well. And look at this, beside that we even have some sensors. Wait a second, is that a camera? Oh boy, remember I've told you this is a smart autofocus projector. They're basically using like a tiny camera for the autofocus and keystone correction. Like how cool is that? Going to the back side, here you've got all the I/O connectivity ports. Let me give you a closer look. You're getting two USB ports, two HDMIs are there, and yes, it does support ARC as well. Headphone jack is available and one IR sensor for the remote, and lastly a mains cord port. You've got lots of vents and cutouts on the left and right side profile for air circulation and basically to keep it running cool. On the bottom side you've got some rubber foot pads. This one is your height and angle adjustment screw, and look at this, you also have like a cleanable filter. Once in a while you'll need to take it out and use that cleaning kit to keep your product neat and tidy. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. And having a closer look at the remote, here's how it looks like. Definitely looks quite stylish guys, and as I've told you, this is like a smart remote. You've got plenty of buttons over here and controls for the projector, and also include some shortcuts for OTT apps like Netflix, YouTube and Prime Video as well. Very nice, good quality remote I would say. So what I'll do is I'll quickly power on the projector, set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Setup sab ho gaya guys. I've been using the Pixaplay 28 for quite some time at my place, and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model, on both the picture quality, speaker quality, its software features and everything. It's gonna be a bit in-depth, but again, if you're planning to buy this model, right, make sure to watch this video till the end and don't skip any part. First of all, let me talk about the setup and connectivity. It's got multiple connectivity options as I've shown you. HDMI is there, aux is there, Bluetooth support is there, and plenty of options. I'll leave that up to you. Setup was also also very simple. Walk in the park, as easy as that. It's like a simple plug and play device. Simply power it on, go through the step by step process shown on the screen, and that's it. You're all good to go. Biggest advantage is you don't need to struggle with the focus or keystone. It's a fully automatic projector. You're getting electronic autofocus and also auto keystone correction. Once you power it on, right, projector will automatically adjust the focus and keystone correction as well, just like this. But yes, apart from that, you're also getting a manual correction option also built into the settings. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the home screen and show you the whole operating system, built-in apps and features, and talk about that. So there you go, here's how the home screen on the Pixaplay 28 looks like, and initial impressions, I have to say, image quality on this projector is very nice. I mean, just look at the brightness over here, the sharpness, image quality, and also the colors. Here itself you can tell that it shows a lot of promise. We'll anyhow come and talk about the picture quality, image quality in a moment. Apart from that, I do have to mention, right now this projector is placed around like 9 to 10 feet away from the wall, and the projection size is around 150 to 160 inches. And also observe the corner to corner sharpness as well. Uniform sharpness over the image. Usually what happens is on budget projectors, only the central area of the image is sharp, and as you go to the corners and extreme ends, right, image gets a bit distorted. That is not happening over here. Zebronics has definitely used a good quality lens. And best part about the model, as I've told you, it's fully automatic, has autofocus and auto keystone correction as well. So it'll only take care of all of that as soon as you power it on. Anyways, coming to the home screen and talking about the software features, initially I actually thought this was an Android projector, but after testing it for a while, I got to know this is not Android operating system. Zebronics is having their own custom operating system over here. But yes, it is a smart one. You're getting all the features you might be looking for. Very clean and modern UI. They're calling it a Zeb UI, I believe. You got plenty of content recommendations from all the OTT related apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube. All the content on the home screen automatically keeps updating as per your watch preferences and taste. Anyways, below that you can check out all your favorite OTT apps. As you can see, Netflix is there, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, plenty of apps are there. And apart from this, you can even download more apps and games from the App Store that is built right into the projector itself. Along with that, you're also getting support for wireless casting. Built-in browser app is also available. So basically it has A to Z all features on this model. Coming to the Wi-Fi settings, yes, it does support dual band Wi-Fi, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz support is there. And if you go to the Bluetooth section, here you can easily pair all your Bluetooth speakers or game pads and stuff like that. Below that you have the picture settings. Plenty of picture settings are there. Here only you can access that keystone correction. You can either set it to automatic or manual keystone correction option is also available. Image zoom feature is also there. Some autofocus settings are also available. And lastly, yes, it does offer projection modes also. So even if you ceiling mount it in inverted position also, you can easily change the picture mode from over here. Anyways, if you ask about the picture adjustments, basically image quality settings, there you go. Plenty of options are there. Brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, all of these can be adjusted, and you also have a couple of modes also to choose from. If you come to the brightness section, right, you have a special energy conservation mode as well, and totally you have around like 5 brightness levels to adjust over here. And if you ask about the lamp life, brand says that it has around 30,000 hours of life, which is plenty and usually the same on all the models. Coming to the sound settings, here you can access them. You've got a couple of sound modes to choose from, and yes, the projector has ERC, right, so you can even connect Dolby Digital or Dolby Digital plus home theater setups or soundbars directly to this projector. On board you're getting 1 GB RAM and 8 GB of storage, which is like decent. You can easily install lots of apps and games, not an issue at all. Apart from that, you also have USB ports on board now. You can easily connect pen drives or maybe like storage drives and watch your content. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, Netflix, play some videos over here. Just have a look at that. You'll get an idea on the image and speaker quality, and after that I'll give you my review and feedback. Alright, buckle up guys, you people are in for a ride. So today today, as you've seen the video's title, we will be building your dream gaming PC 2023. And my dream PC, I'm not talking about those super expensive, super powerful PCs. You guys saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you would ask me, picture quality on this projector is actually pretty good for this price point. I think this is one of the finest projectors Zebronics has actually made in the recent times, guys. If you talk about the detail, there's good amount of detail. It's got native 1080p resolution, right? And has support for projection size from 44 inches to all the way up to 200 inches, guys. Massive projection size you can get over here. I was mostly using it at around like 9 to 10 feet away from the wall, and the projection size was around like 150 inches, guys. 150-160 inches was like the best optimal results I was getting during my testing period. Yes, you can even go up to like 200 inches also, but for me now 150 inches was like the sweet spot. There was good amount of detail no matter what sort of content you're watching. Native 1080p resolution, right? Even if you go up to like 150 inches also, everything was like crisp and clear. All the text, no matter what sort of content, either it be like 1080p videos on YouTube or even OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. I had a good time watching content over here. And talking about the colors were also nice. Color reproduction, color accuracy, everything were on point, and it's actually a very well calibrated projector, I would say. Contrast levels are also decent, 1000:1 contrast levels. For a projector, I would say it was doing a good job. And overall dynamic range is also nice. And good thing is this particular model is also widevine L1 certified. So even if you're watching content on Netflix or Amazon Prime Video, right? Yes, it supports resolutions up to 1080p, which is its native resolution, and HDR support is also there for selected titles. And best part about this projector is the brightness, guys. It's got really high brightness of up to 9000 lumens, and definitely makes a difference when you're watching content. See, if you go for like budget sort of projectors, you only get around like 1500-2000 lumens, right? So main problem over there is you'll have to use those projectors in pitch black conditions. You'll have to close all your windows, cover them, hide them with curtains and stuff like that. Then also you might not be satisfied with the brightness. That is not the case over here. If you're using this projector in like dark situations or maybe like dark rooms, maybe your bedroom, right, with all the windows and curtains put on, you will have like a fantastic theater like feel over here. And not only that, even if you have like, little bit of light leakages coming out from windows or maybe some sort of small light sources also, not to worry about, you'll still have like a good experience, all thanks to that high brightness. And yes, brightness is adjustable over here in 5 levels. You can easily adjust that from the picture settings. On the overall, I had a really good time watching content on this projector. Only thing I felt is I wish this model had like 4K playback support as well. That would have been like pretty awesome. Anyways, keeping that aside, let me tell you about the speaker quality as well. Projector has a built-in powerful speaker that even supports Dolby audio as well, and I actually had like a good experience, guys. It is producing good quality sound and output also reasonably loud. I was not expecting that. Vocal clarity was nice. I could hear and understand all the dialogues in a movie, and I felt this was like more than enough for a home sort of usage. See, if you're using this in your bedroom, maybe with like a 4 or 5 people group, right, maybe with your cousins or your friends, this is like more than enough. You don't need to go for like an external sound setup only, unless you are like an audio enthusiast and you're not satisfied with the built-in speakers. Then only you'll have to go for some external solution, like maybe like a sound bar or maybe like a home theater system. Yes, it does support ARC as well, right? Simply connect your sound bar and take your audio experience to the next level. I'll leave that up to you. So that's it, our video on Zebronics all new Pixaplay 28 LED projector. Great projector for your home, guys. Literally feels like cinema at your place. You're getting awesome picture quality, good built-in sound, plenty of smart features, and best part is ease of use, all thanks to its autofocus and auto keystone correction. Only thing I felt is wish this projector was based on Android operating system and supported 4K playback as well. Anyways, it costs around 25,999 rupees. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'll leave links to that in the description box. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got full information about it. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.